Looking to bring the fizz home? We've got the top soda makers of Itanisha that are perfect for sparkling water lovers. Discover the best options for your kitchen and why they are must-haves this year. Ideal for budget-conscious buyers, this soda maker is lightweight, easy to clean, and manually operated. It's perfect for those who want a simple, no-frills soda-making experience. This electric model features 3 carbonation levels and a sleek design. It's easy to use and comes with both a glass and plastic bottle, making it versatile and convenient. If you're looking for a premium option, this stylish, manual soda maker with a sleek stainless steel design is a perfect choice. It's compact, durable, and produces strong carbonation. Renowned for its user-friendly design, this model offers great value for money. It's compact, easy to use with its manual pump system, and perfect for quick carbonation at home. This versatile soda maker can carbonate almost any beverage from water to juices, and even wine. It's manual, easy to use, and perfect for customizing carbonation levels.